Now no na Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association womo so womo ti atuana aban pa womo cho se sika ni ho yan fo mo ansha budget m entu womo nto womo bo project bebre obakwa kwa bisa ne aka cho se yan budget for it enti munya bote the next budget no na ye dia shem ne provide the necessary resources e betimi dia project na mamo but sadly ene ya ba beto aba wo Akwetia enura bayi eno the chief of staff na kasa ne ko gina Akwetia nananum anim say animu na no o say nananum mpa ahemfo miensa no omomran kran ni wukuada na eye na wotwe ne ena sankomo ekoso wo mo enkonkosia na bibia hia wo mo fi akwan ko school ko health de hia wo mo bi wo mo fa megun krata so na animu ya yenyemomo enti no se osese aban kasia no won kran na nkran no mo ba on benya bibia ene se yenwu ye friend say ye local governance system yenwu no Ope bibi aje so bankran abankra chepani wo ho say no kresi e obi papa bi ma oman no a adenti na yamfa ma abankra chepani ama nkwa betena so nka wasase a wo mo ye kasa bre ye the contract ama anakrampo anka wo bidden ya ye pa obi di contract ama no so de be oba be ye adwuma no but ye be ye by election nti.
All right, abuziafo asababa nurses for say President John Dramani Mahama nurses teachers and doctors yan chomka but almost car kochiche ewo by election ase sika kochiche wo by election ase no ebetume tuya nurses ni doctors eka for 8 good months nurses ni doctors omo no receive pay you but President John Dramani Mahama pick money and their money ni party for omo dia kwa Akwetia omo teacher people are taking as much as 10,000 Ghana cedis 1,000 Ghana enu na echiche ewo Akwetia ebra yentua teachers ka ebra nurses for ukroma yentua omo kaye ebusiafo enya asem ketwa enu ena Ghana for bi say say mo kra mo sa nurses ni doctors no yaka bi a kire mo pen abusiafo mo nanado time mo yi ya nanado se nanado Captain Smart edi mo up ko TV so a mutufu kire nanado ani ade ene se aban papa na aba nti munye di now you people should keep quiet yourself. You said aban papa na aba no ono so o se on chiamuka ba ode de sika no be by election nti mu ha on say abusiafo abronye blast President John Dramani Mahama pasa mumanye nkwane ko tibra na yeba mebo videos na nurses time na nanado was di omodi aye nanado enya asem ketwa
no entua nurse foka ada na ba na entua teachers ka producer yi video na na omodi sika epete no no bia ene da hono na emrantie ne mabawa ye call Akwetia by election by ye ne tuturo MPP members ni bi na Akwetia no na ma party no some are attacking the party leadership general secretary na be here and there enti no actually say ya kwa Akwetia by election ye lose until the party is finished. There is no party leadership on ye Semanya time. I follow by election trend in our country. Kaye nyusu Akwetia by election. Enka say, ye lusu Akwetia by election ti MPP a week. Ama mo attacking Kodria Nabi and others. Yenya time, na yem follow the by-election trend in this country. Na yenya proper assessment. Na me nyusu. Me research ya me nyina embezi on a by-election enkase political party bi a week. Dabi, eti mrantia ne mabawa ye nyina anim. Say wa by-election ye course we no. Akwetia nkasa na division na ewo honom no. Ye wie na ehun say se ye kokoye prime minister kura ka niam besei. Ene ye fa obi a oni fashions ni bia nye den eni asem. Ene ye dom. Ye wie ye fra bera fo ya bio.
Abujafo inti we mu na ansem we ena nurses for say omunti asye any doctors any Ghana for be say President John Mahama, you couldn't pay the teachers, you couldn't pay nurses, but who was cowardly kwa Akwetia? Who koye by election, who teachers kabudi skegugamo, muchiche just for votes. But nurses a comedy on who kromase. Abujafo mayen kona enko tiedia, nurse ni bi all can. Ebuzi hanya sebketwa.
Yes, that was a matter. You can't have a support to us, support to our warriors. Support to our mouth. Thank you. I'm too good man. I'm too good man. 1 year and a half. As I was having to how am I going to pay? I don't have even pin on me. Me, what's
And we got there. The only thing they told us that it is true that our clearance have expired. But as it stands now, there is nothing they can do for us unless they clear the ghost names from the system. It was very disheartening and they rendered us hopeless. What happens to the financial clearance they gave us? We are there caring for Ghanaians because we are equally citizens of Ghana and we are caring for our country, which the country doesn't care for us. We are now second option that they should clear ghost names before they can absorb us. It is.
And I say, you shouldn't complain. Someone I'm saying, separate, pin, mama, complain. I also me say, Munes way, ebimu, Captain Smart, Edemwako to TV su, musu, mu yet to say, Nana don't need two naked like the Nana do Timu and Nana don't Jim, and she. I was for my uncle video. Nah, and yefe.
Then I show for your bread, your bed, and my mamma. I get to cry the old bed, I had ting. I do baby our home. Be someone who say, you will cry, Nayana.
Oh, no.
Daddy, you move back. Daddy, what I said, Daddy, Miss you. What was I me, put me one amco. Maybe I mean, who call as a man, the horn of mana. And whenever mammy and EJ, I want to. Miss Goofy's the permit say, and say, I am Minister of Health, Dr. Kokajman, would you encourage me crone new? Ebian Kay bet snatch me 1 on 1 above, Ebian and carry me pussy and me. And today, of course, you won't say, Anna. And then I'm on Casama, and then I'm on Kubi. Yet I see him, baby, and say a right one more 1 year time and so much Sianka. Monfire rum. I didn't deny it, and it's so nice. Embra for mama ye. Ude here. Ude mum sisa ye ngum scan no ye challenge mo. Anya ye no mo na delivery.
It's okay. It's okay.
Daddy mama ye why. Daddy mama ye. Mama ye.
We'll be back. And that Captain Smart, why a dean? Why a dean? A Brian Chum Kaya, yes, this Africa, a Gubutom, a Dico, Akwetia, acquire by election, a Chichesca, yes, in the Papa could 1,000 Ghana. Captain Smart, you are quiet on this. And then, why you dean? And then they want to make a farm and better native in the Zubium. Moonless for Dankasano. Yes, we are Kabiach say this man, we know him. Backlog of nurses now will face here. It's because of President John Dramani Mahama. But you couldn't listen to us. Mufa I say ye dear gro. What you say? Bibiana Mudia politics. What you say? It's yene. Ene brenna aban. What you say? President John Dramani Mahama oko krobono. Yen kwati de okaye. Or catch nurses for or say nanado nkola say omundi alawane you nti wo ye dey abusiafo ene bingering me abesu abedu yesu abedu musu
Nanado and Baumia said they'll pay their allowances. I beg you, Nanado and Baumia, if you are hearing me, we are here in Krobo nursing training school. They said 2 years now you haven't paid them their allowances. Let the alawa come. And this time, the lies won't work. This time, the propaganda won't work. This time, the deception won't work. This time, the dishonesty won't work. The people elected you to serve them, not to lord it over them. And so one of the things we don't want to see in the next NDC government, we don't want to see arrogance. The people are suffering. And so you must be. We don't want to see people driving Rolls Royces and things when people cannot get food to eat.